I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to secure your Acorns card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. Launch the Acorns app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the card section. Once you're in the app, look for the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, then select Card from the menu options. Step 3. Access card settings. In the card section, find and tap on Card Settings. This will take you to the options available for managing your card. Step 4. Lock your card. Look for the Lock Card option. Tap on it and confirm your choice to lock the card. This will prevent any transactions until you unlock it. Quick gotcha, if you don't see the option, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Confirm lock status. After locking your card, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your card is now locked. You can also check the card status in the card section. Now you can feel secure knowing your Acorns card is locked. If you need to unlock it later, just follow the same steps.